Hey there! Ever wondered how your leftover leaves and grass clippings could turn into garden magic? Well, in New Jersey, there's this awesome free mulch program running through more than 50 recycling centers statewide, where all that yard waste gets recycled into mulch, compost, and rich garden soil. Basically, free goodies for your garden. Imagine skipping those pricey garden store runs because your town's recycling center is hooking you up with high-quality mulch made right from your neighborhood's tree trimmings and leaves. It's like nature's own recycling party, cutting down landfill waste, saving you cash, and being super kind to the planet. Mulch isn't just for looks. It keeps your soil moist, helps plants grow stronger, chokes out weeds naturally, and even controls erosion on those tricky slopes. Plus, it supports little critters and pollinators that keep your garden buzzing and healthy. Now, here's where we at Farmonaut step in. We're all about making gardening smarter and easier. Using our app, you can check your garden's health with satellite images, get tips on watering or fertilizing just right, and track how your garden's doing over time. We even help you understand the carbon footprint of your gardening choices. So you're not just growing plants, you're growing greener habits too. Before you grab your shovel to collect mulch from your local DPW or recycling center, remember, check their hours, bring your own tools, and do a quick quality sniff. It should smell earthy, not sour. Layer it about 2 to 3 inches thick, but don't smother your plants or hug the trunks too tightly. So yeah, whether you're a weekend gardener or running a community garden, these free mulch programs plus the tech magic from Farmonaut make sustainable gardening super doable and fun. Ready to turn your garden into a thriving, eco-friendly space without breaking the bank? Let's get mulching the smart way, with a little help from nature and a lot from Farmonaut. Happy gardening, New Jersey!